My name is Olav Zipser. I'm a free flyer and I travel the world. I fly the sky and I like to go into the black sky. This was the reason why Mike Rumble, you invited me to South Africa to skydive for the rhinos and to also have a little talk about the FreeFly Astronaut project. Our trip in South Africa was one of the most wonderful things I have done last year in 2012. I'm very glad to meet you, Mike Rumble, because in this universe, in this multiverse, you are an Imagineer, imagineering the thoughts of the future. I'm a space-time designer, and we two became friends. We're brothers of a different mother, and we had a great time. Thank you for helping me with the space project, FreeFly Astronaut project. I will show you some pictures about the rockets and the spacesuits now. Talking about the FreeFly Astronaut project, Mike, you are a big part of it, as you are helping me to design it and to bring it to the people and to make it understandable of what we are talking about. I'd like to show you some of our rockets. The rocket you see right here is from Interorbital System located in Mojave Desert in America. It's a sounding rocket. It can go up to 310 kilometers above ground surface, above AGL I think it's called. And it can take a payload of 145 kilos, which will be enough to carry me plus my hypersonic spacesuit, the biomechanical flex wing, which we are developing right now. Like you can see on this side right here, over here you can see the spacesuits which we have been testing at the Zipser Spacesuit Institute, the Yuri Gagarin Training Center in Moscow, Star City. They have allowed me to go into their secret rooms and test some of the existing spacesuits which they are using today to go to the space station. We also have been designing with the engineers at Zipser some ideas which come very close, step by step closer to the idea of a FreeFly astronaut suit, a hypersonic spacesuit which will function like a biomechanical flex wing. And I will be in it. I'm the test pilot. Okay, here we are at Zipser at Star City, the Yuri Gagarin Training Center, and you can see right here, those are the test chambers, the vacuum test chambers, where very likely Mr. Yuri Gagarin, first human who ever goes and explores the space for all of us, mankind, has been training in. You can also see right now here the different kind of spacesuits which we are using, and they are using right now, currently available for all astronauts, cosmonauts who are going to the International Space Station. They are training in these chambers and in those suits. The FreeFly Astronaut project is all about safety. We are doing a research and development project where we try to get a product going in which we are saving future space travelers for, in case there is a space emergency, we will bring them back inside this hypersonic spacesuit, the biomechanical flex wing, FreeFly astronaut suit. With the techniques which we are developing, we bring them back from a space-related emergency in space back to Earth. They will fly in safety back to Earth even if they are unconscious.